Have you ever tried to learn English grammar and felt completely bored? What if I told you that today, grammar will come alive through a story? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will understand basic English grammar without memorizing rules. This is the story of a boy named Leo and a strange book that changed everything. Leo was an ordinary boy. One day, he found a mysterious book in an old library. The book said, "Everything has a name. The name is called a noun." Leo looked around. Leo is a noun, which means a person. Library is a noun, means a place. And book is a noun, which means a thing. Suddenly, the objects around him began to glow. The book whispered, "A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea." Leo smiled. "This is easy," he said. Then something strange happened. The book jumped. Leo shouted, "Hey, book, do not jump." The book replied, "That is because you forgot about verbs. A verb shows an action. For example, Leo walks. The book moves. The wind blows. Now everything in the room started moving. Leo ran. The book laughed. Verbs make sentences alive, the book said. Leo noticed something new. The book was not just a book. It was a bright, magical, old book. "What are these describing words?" Leo asked. "They are called adjectives," said the book. Adjectives describe nouns. A small boy, a dark room, a happy smile. Leo laughed. "So, without adjectives, everything would be boring." "Exactly," said the book. Suddenly, the book flew quickly across the room. Leo asked, "Why did you say quickly?" The book replied, That is an adverb. It describes how something happens. He runs fast, she speaks softly, they run easily. Adverbs often end in ly. The books added. Leo nodded. This is getting interesting." The book now glowed brighter. "Now let us build a sentence," it said. A basic sentence has subject plus verb plus object. Example: Leo reads the book. Here, Leo is a subject, reads is a verb, and book is object. Leo tried. The magical book teaches Leo. "Perfect," said the book. The room suddenly changed. Leo saw 3 versions of himself. The book explained, "This is time," also called tense. First is present, Leo reads. Second is past, Leo read. And future, Leo will read. Leo watched his past self reading quietly. His future self smiled confidently. "Grammar helps you speak about time clearly," the book said. The book slowly closed. Leo looked around. Everything was normal again. But now he understood something powerful. Grammar is not just rules. It is a system that makes language meaningful. If you enjoyed learning grammar through a story, subscribe and stay for more lessons like this. and telling me in the comments which part of grammar do you want to learn next. Remember, you do not need to memorize English, you need to experience it. See you in the next video.